Let's paint some fun eyeball flowers for Halloween. Start by placing a white circle onto your stone or your surface. Now we're going to create petals. This is a quick little trick to give yourself little dashes so that you can space your petals out better if you have a hard time with that. Once all your dashes are on, you just create the petal tops all the way around and fill them in. Next, we're going to add on a stem, a leaf, and a little patch of grass where this flower lives. I'm adding on a second layer of white, but only around the outside edge where the white of the eye is going to be showing. Then we're going to create our eye color. I'm going to use two different tones of blue. If you work while your paint pen is wet, they will kind of flood together. So I'm doing dark blue on the outside and a little bit of light blue on the inside. You'll get this really fun eye color. Next, we're going to start adding the veining, the red lines in the eye. I'm using this disposable eyeliner brush. It has such a fine little point. I'm putting the paint even on my finger so that I'm only getting the littlest bit of paint on my brush at a time. And I'm just going to work my way around, creating these Y shapes, V shapes, little lines, all the way around the whites of the eye. All that's left is to go around with our lining. So outline your stem, your leaf. On the grass, I usually just create some little hash lines in the grass. I don't go into a lot of detail here. Next, we're going to go around and outline each of our petals. We're going to outline the eyeball itself as well. Then go ahead and add on your pupil. The last step is to add these cute little dashes and dots along your petals, and it is finished. I hope you really enjoyed this rock painting tutorial. We've got a bunch more Halloween rocks for you to check out. Happy painting!